Hey friends, welcome back to my page, y'all. Welcome to the replay. We're gonna make a super simple frame decoration. This is called the board and pillar. I love this board. It is a reusable surface, and I'm gonna show you how to take this off, and we're gonna put a new design on. Okay, so hit the heart button, type in shop. Okay, so this has a screw in the back that allows you to keep this little board in place. And we're gonna set that aside. And now we're gonna take this off. So this is chalk and paste form. It's been on here, I don't know, a good month or so, but it's semi-permanent. It dries hard. So I'm gonna show you how to take it off. Okay, so we're gonna spray it with water. You're gonna want to get a paste scraper. You can find this on my online store in the accessory section. Okay, so you're basically just going to scrape that paste right off so that you can change up your decor anytime you want. Okay, so let me go at it from this side, like so. Then I'm going to grab a paper towel, clean off my paste scraper, and get all of this excess water off. Just like that. Now, it didn't take it all the way off, that's okay. That's how it works. All right, so then we're going to spray it again. This time we're going to go in with a board eraser, just like this, and get the rest of it off. These board erasers are like magic when it comes to our reusable surfaces. Okay, so now I'm going to take the paper towel and just dry it off completely. Now, one thing that I like to do, I like to take my dryer just to speed up the process a little bit when it comes to drying, just to make sure that I got every spot dry. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside because now we're going to work with this transfer. It's called the piece that holds us together. All right, so I'm going to remind you that there is a black label right here that the silkscreen, the copyright is silkscreen, so don't chalk over that. Okay, so open that up, lift it out. I'm gonna write the word back on the backer sheet. Okay, then we're going to peel this up off of the backer sheet and lay it right here on our fuzzing cloth. Okay, this is an important step to do because these are sticky. They're reusable, and you can use them about 10 to 12 times, but definitely more. You'll get more uses out of them if you take really good care of them, meaning you clean them right away, you put them back on their backer sheet, you store them, in a nice place, right? Don't just leave them on the floor where somebody can run over them with the wheel of the chair. I have done that before. All right, so we're going to take our frame, and we're going to put this right in the center of our frame, just like so. And I'm going to take my finger and just work those air bubbles out. Make sure that it is flat. Now, I need to remember, and it's going to be hard to see, but there is some words, there's some wording right there. That is silkscreen right now with the new manufacturer. That will change. They eventually will get rid of that, but I need to be mindful not to chalk that. All right, so we're going to use Peachy Keen for this one. And we're going to take a mini squeegee like this, and we're just going to run that paste over the silk screen. And I got to tell myself, like, don't go over the copyright line because I don't want that on my surface because it is silk screen right now. This is so awesome, y'all. If you're just hopping on, hit the heart button, type in shop, and I will send you a message of where you can get all of the supplies, and you can just kind of browse the online store. Okay, so now what we're going to do is lift it up, and as we lift it up, we want to check it to make sure that we got all of our area covered with our Peachy Keen paste. And once we confirm that everything looks good, we can then lift off the silk screen. Okay, now we're going to place this right here, spray it, get our board eraser, and we're going to clean that paste right off. Just like so. Okay, then I like to take a paper towel to get all of that excess water off. Then we're going to flip it over because some of the paste goes through to the back. Same thing, spray it, wipe it off, remove that paste, and then one last dry with your paper towel. And now you're going to take that backer sheet that I wrote on, line up the corners, line up the edges, and then make sure that it is flat on the backer sheet. There it is. I'm going to put this back in here. I fold in the little flap there. Slide my transfer in, hopefully. And then now you can pull out the sticky piece, the sticky flap, and now it can be used over and over, okay? So I hang mine on a little peg shelf over here, and then we're gonna take our frame, put it in our little holder, and we're going to screw it in there. Make sure it's centered. Not quite. There we go. And now we have a cute little sign. Mom, you are the piece that holds us together. Look how easy that was, y'all. And you can even add a bow to the bottom if you wanted. Super simple, super fun. Hit the heart button, type in shop, and we'll see you later. Okay? Bye, friends.